All right, let's take a look at this one. If you notice, it is a fill in the blank. So pretty much this is you know it or you don't. So it says David is planning a party and wants to buy cupcakes and cookies. Cupcakes cost $3 each. I don't know how much cupcakes are, but I know they're $3 each. And cookies cost $2 each. So I'm gonna make X for my cookies. And Y is going to be, well, I'm sorry, that's the opposite. Had a moment there for a second. So $3, X, which is going to be my cupcakes, is X. And my cookies are $2, and they're going to be Y. Now, what it wants me to do is that it wants me to create an inequality. So automatically, you're not putting an equal sign because inequalities deal with these symbols right here. It's not Al the alligator. That's stuff you learned when you were little, and that's a strategy, but they're actually called inequalities. So you know that you're creating an equation, but you're using an inequality. So now, he also says that David can spend only a maximum of 30. He could spend $30, but he cannot spend 31, but he could spend less. So, if I could spend the same amount as 30, these are out of the question because that means that 30 would not be included. He could spend up to 30, so it's either this one or this one. So I'm going to go ahead and put this. 30 is the greatest amount he could spend, so I'm going to put 30 on this side because the mouth, you guys call it that, you know, the piranha or Al the alligator when you were younger, eats the bigger number. Now, what you put over here is this, which you already wrote. So $3 with an X because I don't know how much I bought, plus $2 with a Y because I don't know how many cookies I bought. But I know that the amount of cupcakes and the amount of cookies, depending on how much he bought of each, could be $30, but it cannot be more than $30. So that would be your inequality.